Hi, so in this video we're going to go through and show you how to download Screencastify and how to use it. So you want to navigate to screencastify.com and you want to click on Add to Chrome. Right now mine says remove from Chrome because I've already added it. It's up here in the extensions spot, so I can pin it so that I always have it available. Now I want to click on the Screencastify button extension. The first time you do it, you're going to have to set up microphone access, set up your camera, and enable drawing tools, which is okay. So we're just going to click on Set Up Microphone. You're going to want to click Allow. I come back here. I'm going to click on Screencastify again. I can do a web camera. So you have a couple options here. You have Browser tab, Desktop, Web camera. So what I like to keep this on is desktop, and then I can click record. My face is going to show up down here, so now that you can see that down there, I'm going to X out of here. The first time, every time you do this, click on this button, your entire screen, then click the share button. It counts down for you, and now you are recording. I always click hide down here because I don't want everyone to see that little button there. A good rule of thumb is to have everything open that you want to share with your students. So if I was showing my students how to navigate to the Google Classroom, I would, have this tab open already so they don't have to wait for it. So I would, once you're done recording, come up here. Right now you can see that has a little red button here. Click on this, and you have a couple different options. You can automatically throw this away. Or you can pause it, or you can stop it. So I'm going to stop it. The other thing you can do is if it's a perfect video and you don't want to do anything else to it, you can share it directly to Google Classroom. You can directly upload it to YouTube. If this is something that you need to edit, you're going to open it in the editor. Sometimes it takes a few moments. Now that you're in the editor, you can crop it. So I'd come down here, I'd click the crop button, and you're going to draw a rectangle around what you want to show. So if there's stuff in the background on the desktop that you don't want, and then I click done. I suggest doing that first, because then when you start cutting the video, you have to recrop it each time. So if you crop it at the beginning, you're good to go. So say I'm watching this video and I don't like this piece here, I simply click the scissors button, and then the video starts getting better again here. I would click the scissors again, highlight this, and hit the delete button or the backspace button, and that's how you would edit your video. The next piece would be to export it. You can export it to an MP4 or export it to Google Drive. I suggest exporting it to Google Drive. Of course, I always have to name my video. It's going to process this. You can click here and get the share link, but remember everything is saving to Google Drive, so that's where you can also get the save link. The other nice piece about Screencastify is you can click on the extension again, right? So this is already saved. And then if I click on these three dots here, I have a lot of options. So under my options, I have a couple different things. You can save it, recommend it to Google Drive, as it does automatically. You can save it on your local device. It got a bunch of different options, other options here, background, drive up, three dots here, and go to your recordings, right? So not only are you able to access them through Google Drive, you can access them directly through Screencastify. Again, you can go to the editor through the three dots. The plus sign here, you can add another video to this existing video. You can add something from your Google Drive. So Screencastify is a very nice feature. If you have any questions, please reach out to your ITF and they will be happy to assist you.